Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning receptionist resume. And we'll go step by step using a complete real example, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a receptionist resume? A receptionist resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to manage front desk operations, communicate effectively, and create a positive first impression for visitors and clients. This role is very important because receptionists are often the first point of contact in a company. Employers are looking for someone who is professional, organized, friendly, and able to handle multiple tasks at once. That's why your resume must clearly show communication skills, multitasking ability, and attention to detail. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. What should you write here? You always begin with your full name, Lauren Mitchell. This should be clear and easy to read because it's the first thing employers will see. Make sure your name stands out at the top of the resume. Next, we have the address. 1856 Parkview Avenue, Atlanta. GA 30303, United States. This helps employers understand your location, which can be important for scheduling and availability. Then include your phone number. 404-555-6712. This must be accurate and active because this is how employers will contact you. After that, your email. lauren.mitchell@email.com. Notice how professional it looks. Always use an email that includes your real name. Finally, your LinkedIn. linkedin.com/in/Lauren Mitchell. This shows professionalism and gives employers another way to learn more about you. For tip, always double-check your contact information. Even a small mistake can cost you an opportunity. Professional summary. Now let's move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Professional and friendly receptionist with over 4 years of experience managing front desk operations and providing excellent customer service. Skilled in handling calls, scheduling appointments, and creating a welcoming environment for visitors. Highly organized with strong communication and multitasking abilities. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence says, professional and friendly receptionist with over 4 years of experience managing front desk operations and providing excellent customer service. This introduces who you are and your experience level. Words like professional and friendly are very important because they describe your personality. The second sentence says, skilled in handling calls, scheduling appointments, and creating a welcoming environment for visitors. This highlights your main responsibilities and skills. It shows what you can do daily. The final sentence says, highly organized with strong communication and multitasking abilities. This focuses on key qualities that employers are looking for in a receptionist. For tip, keep your summary short, around 3 to 4 sentences, and make sure it clearly highlights your strengths. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample: front desk management, customer service, phone and email communication, appointment scheduling, multitasking, time management, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook. Organization skills, problem solving, attention to detail. This section gives a quick overview of what you can do. For example, front desk management shows you can handle reception duties. Phone and email communication shows you can communicate professionally. Appointment scheduling shows you can manage time and calendars. Multitasking is very important because receptionists often handle multiple responsibilities at once. Attention to detail ensures accuracy in tasks. For tip, keep this section clean and easy to read because recruiters often scan this part quickly. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior receptionist, Bright Care Medical Center, Atlanta, Georgia. March 2021 to present. Greeted and assisted visitors in a professional and friendly manner. This shows your customer service and first impression skills. managed multi-line phone systems, and directed calls appropriately. This highlights your ability to handle communication efficiently, scheduled appointments, and maintained accurate calendars. This shows organization and time management. Handled administrative tasks, including filing, data entry, and correspondence. This shows your support role and office skills. Improved front desk efficiency, reducing wait times by 20%. This is very strong because it shows measurable results. Maintained confidentiality of patient and company information. This shows professionalism and trustworthiness. Now let's look at the second role. Receptionist. Sunrise Corporate Offices, Atlanta, Georgia, June 2019 to February 2021. Answered calls, responded to emails, and greeted clients. This shows your daily responsibilities. Managed visitor logs and ensured smooth check-in processes. This shows organization and attention to detail. Coordinated meeting room bookings and office schedules. This highlights planning and coordination skills. Provided administrative support to office staff. This shows teamwork and flexibility. Enhanced customer satisfaction through professional service. This shows positive impact. Now the third role, Office Assistant, Metro Business Solutions, Atlanta, Georgia, January 2017 to May 2019. Assisted with daily office operations and clerical tasks. This shows your foundational experience. Supported front desk activities during busy hours. This shows flexibility and teamwork. Maintained organized filing systems and records. This highlights organization skills. Helped improve communication between departments. This shows initiative and teamwork. For tip, always use action verbs like managed, coordinated, assisted, and include results when possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. High school diploma, Atlanta High School, graduated 2016. This section shows your educational background. For receptionist roles, a high school diploma is usually sufficient. For tip, keep this section simple and clear. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, scheduling software, basic data entry systems. These tools show that you are familiar with the systems used in daily receptionist tasks. Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook are essential for office work. Scheduling software is important for managing appointments. Basic data entry systems show your ability to handle records. For tip, only include tools you are comfortable using. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here is the full sample. Reduced customer wait times by 20% through improved scheduling. This shows measurable success. Recognized for excellent customer service and professionalism. This adds credibility. Maintained a welcoming and organized front desk environment. This reinforces your strengths. This section helps you stand out from other candidates. Languages. Finally, let's look at languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, conversational. This shows your ability to communicate with a wider range of clients. In many workplaces, this is a big advantage. For tip, always be honest about your level. So to recap, a strong receptionist resume should start with clear contact information, include a professional summary, list relevant skills, show strong experience with responsibilities and results, include education and technical skills, highlight achievements, and add languages if applicable. Remember, employers are looking for someone who is organized, professional, friendly, and reliable. Make sure your resume clearly shows those qualities. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe Writing Tutorials. See you!